Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a quick look at the LULULOOK magnetic mount for the iPad mini. In particular, we have an iPad mini 6. This is the latest generation of iPad mini and has a camera in the back. So you can see it's right here. And we're going to hook it up to this neat stand. Now the stand comes in a couple of colors, silver like this, which matches my iMac. Matter of fact, the foot of this looks like the iMac foot. And it also comes in like a space gray color. So if you happen to have that on your laptop or whatever you're using this with, here it is. It comes with a soft little plate here on top of the aluminum and a cutout for the camera. So here it is, okay? And we just need to match up the camera. So here it is, the camera here. And we'll put it on here. And you see it snapped right on. It's nice and square on here. Don't have to make any adjustments. It's all magnetic. It won't fall off. Look at that. It holds it really well. If I want, I can rotate this so I can go to vertical mode, or I can go back to horizontal mode. And it's really snug on the rotation, so it's not going to move on you. And then I can also tilt it, which is kind of neat. The other thing about it is nice is it has a cutout in the back, so if you want to put your power cable through there to power it up, you don't have it hanging all over the place. So that's it. That's the LULULOOK magnetic mount for the iPad mini. Thank you.